Here is a comparison between Jellyfish Lightning and Govee Lightning. Jellyfish Lightning has an outdoor color-changing lighting system, perfect for illusion for every occasion. You can use it for everyday as well as holiday. You can go ahead and use it around your house, and it gives more decoration and more amazing features to your house. Govee is a bright days and endless glow. So this is just like a glow pattern. The thing here, it has different variety of lights that you can choose from. So this does not only revolve on LED lights because as you can see, it has a lot of category. Now here's a table for concise comparison. For installation feature, Jellyfish Lightning can only be installed by professionals only, while Govee Permanent Outdoor Light is a DIY friendly. So if you bought this, you can go ahead and install it all alone. For durability, Jellyfish Lightning has high and the Govee has a moderate because it is plastic housing. For price point, Jellyfish is more premium price, costs $20 to $30, while the Govee is on a typical cost of $2 to $5. So if you're looking for premium lights, you can go ahead and purchase Jellyfish. But if you want a budget friendly, you can go ahead and purchase Govee.